USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. The first link says trade like institutions. So if you want to make 300 pips in one trade with patience, with time, then check out the first link, which is a mentorship program, and you can talk to me. You can book consultation if you want to talk to me. Check out this link, check the brokers. And the third one is absolutely free. Join free Telegram for sure. Okay, so do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, you can see this is what it is. Daily is this, and 4-hour is this. So look for longs after each pullback in USD CAD. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you why and why not. I said long means long. That's it. If you don't know why, then go and join the mentorship program to know why am I saying that. Okay, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.